All right, so we're thinking of setting up a lifetime trust and we're thinking of funding the lifetime trust. And I want to start with real estate. So if you have residential real estate, I want you to think of three main things for now. One is, do you have a mortgage on the property? Two is, do you have any real estate tax exemptions on the property? And three, I need to see your homeowner's insurance coverage. I want to be able to contact your homeowner's insurance agent for some planning that will need to occur if we're transferring the real estate to a lifetime trust. So there's a lot to think about when you're transferring real estate to a lifetime trust, but I want to give people three things to start off with so you can be better prepared in regard to this kind of planning. One is, do you know if you have a mortgage on the property? Obviously, you should know. If you can bring that to your attorney's attention, then we can talk about what's possible, what to further look into, and what we need to be concerned about. Two is those real estate tax exemptions. If you can get your hands on a recent bill that shows the tax exemptions that you do have, bring that with you so that your attorney can look at those. And then again, the third would be that homeowner's insurance. If you can bring something in to show what you have and who would be a contact person, that will be so helpful moving forward. Now, let me just also say that if you can find your abstract of title, that's the thick document that has the history of the real estate, that'll be very helpful to not only locate and have, but I think keep with your other estate planning documents moving forward. Here in New York, if you don't have a condo or a townhouse, which is based on fee title insurance, then you're transferring that abstract of title from one owner to the next. And I can tell you a whole bunch of horror stories when people haven't updated those or seen those in a very long time, and what it takes to replace those, and then some of the title issues that certainly do come up when title hasn't been examined for some period of time. So, three things to think about for now in regard to being better prepared when you're setting up a lifetime trust and thinking of your residential real estate. Do you have a mortgage? What are your real estate tax exemptions? And let's look at your homeowner's insurance. And if you can find your abstract of title, yay. All right, so I hope this helps as far as getting some wheels turning and thinking about things. This is Ruth George with Ruth P. George Law, PLLC, Trust and Estate Attorney. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not establish an attorney-client relationship, and I look forward to seeing you on another video.